Okay, now we have 2 more examples to go. Question 13, short response questions. Okay, so this g function g over x equal to such and such and such. We need to find the solution to the equation given g of x equal to 22. Be careful, a lot of people, when they look at this one, they just assume x equal to 22. No. Okay? It's not telling you x equals to 22. It's telling you the y or g of x, the whole thing, output, equal to 22. Do not replace x with 22. Replace g of x with 22. So you're going to have a 22 equal to 1/5, 2x plus 7, and then the whole thing minus 3. Okay. Now, the purpose is to find the x value, right? And you notice x need to be alone. So we need to get rid of all the numbers around that, starting with -3, using inverse operation addition. And then this will become 25. The other side, 1/5, 2x to the power over 2x plus 7. Okay, up to here, you may see, hey, we need to solve it, but we need to have the same base to the left and the right. So I'm thinking about the base 5. Why? Because I see 25, I see 5. The common factor for both is 5. So for 25, I can write it as 5 squared. For 1/5, I can write it as 5 to the power of -1. And then you raise it again to the power over 2x plus 7. Okay? Alright, so you have 5 squared. The right side, you have a -1 times 2x plus 7. Okay. Let's continue. 5 squared. And you are distributing -1. Right? So you have a -1 times 2x give you -2x. -1 times 7 give you -7. Alright. They have the same base. The exponents must be equivalent. So 2 need to equal to -2x minus 7. Add 7 to both sides. And then you have 9 negative equals to -2x, divide both sides by -2. And then cancel out. You're going to have -4.5. That's our answer. Okay? To recap. Okay, be careful what you need to substitute. Okay, what is given? X is given or Y is given? On the test, it not necessarily has to be Y given. Sometimes X is given, so be careful. And then substitute g of x with the given number, and you solve the exponential equation. Try the common basis first. If that doesn't work, that means you are going to use the logarithm method. Okay, next one, the last one. Explain why x equals to 0 is not in the domain. Remember, in order to be in the domain, this part, okay, the one I circle, need to be greater than 0. Okay, this is domain, so x need to be greater than 4. You add 4 to both sides. Okay, now x equals to 0. 0 is not greater than 4. That's why x equals to 0 is not in its domain. Okay? Okay. And that's it. Please study. Make sure you understand every single question well. And good luck with the test.